Is it steak or fish? Damn it. What's up, YouTube? So I figured I needed some earrings. I was looking type crazy, but the reason why I'm rushing this video, am I zoomed in? There we go. The reason why I'm rushing this video is really because I want to utilize the natural lighting, and I see that it's starting to get dark outside. I feel like mad people are looking at me. I gotta chill. But anyways, in today's video I will be doing the nature cereal challenge. I don't know if it's a challenge or what it is, but I'm gonna be trying out nature cereal. And for those of you who do not know what that is, it's a TikTok trend where people are eating fruits in a bowl with coconut water. Not coconut milk, coconut water. Now I love coconut water, but sometimes like store-bought coconut water just be tasting funny sometimes, and if it's not at the right temperature, it's just a lot that goes to it. But I guess overall I do enjoy coconut water, right? So the challenge is blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, pomegranate, raspberries, all mixed in a bowl, right? Except I have one problem. I don't have any pomegranate, but we're gonna make it work. All right, peace. So I wish I had a better place to put this camera, but I really can't find a place right now, and I'm short on time, so let's get to it. So I got blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Y'all know these raspberries, you be having to eat them. I think they expired. Oh, does this fuzz? You know you can't tell because it be having the, hold on, this camera setting is ghetto. You know when you can't tell because it be having the little hairs on it? It's mad gross. Yo, but raspberries go bad so fast. You have to eat them before you walk out the door at the supermarket. Yeah. Let's get to it. Damn, I really wish I had the pomegranate, because I feel like the pomegranate would give it the texture that I want. Because all these soft ass fruits, I do not like mushy unless it's mashed potatoes. I don't even remember if strawberries were included, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I might have to slice these up because no. Some strawberries on steroids. I'm about to let these soak in here for a bit, and I'll get back to y'all later. What's up, guys? Okay, I'm back. I don't even want to move the camera, but look what I have here. Come on, hold on 1 second. Whoever said vlogging was easy, you lie. You's a liar. Oh, and then I got my fat ass salad with some codfish on the side, yada yada. That's for after this cereal I'm about to eat. We good? All right, bet. So I got this coconut water, and this one I got from Trader Joe's. It's just coconut water, not from concentrate. I've never had any of these coconut waters, and what's crazy is that I actually also bought a coconut, like a real coconut, from Whole Foods, but it said like imported from DR or whatever. But I'm really not about to not chop. What do you do to a coconut? Crack the coconut? You don't peel a coconut. Open a coconut. Dismantle a coconut. Okay, anyways, and then I got this one, Vita Coco cocoa pressed coconut water original. And then voila, here it is. Here's my fruit salad. So, oh, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try both coconut waters separately to see which ones I want to go with. So let's see this one. You cute. She cute. Now she cute, she cute. Now we got coconut water from Trader Joe's. Negative. No. Vita Coco it is. No wonder that joint was like $7. So here goes nothing. Let me move my salad over. Can you guys see me? We good, we good. I like that there's a whiteness to it. Like that is not clear, just clear water. Like there's a cloudiness. Ugh. Yo, to be honest, this reminds me of like 2% milk. Not it. All right, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Let me give it one more try. I can't really taste it. Oh. I feel like the fruits, mad loud. I feel like the fruits overpowered the taste of the coconut water, but the coconut water is good. This combination is good. Would I do it again? I don't think so. I don't think I will. This whole time I've been looking at myself and I'm supposed to be looking at y'all. What's up? I definitely wouldn't do this again. I don't see the hype. And you know what? The thing about this is every fruit you get has to be like at their perfect, at their optimal stage, you know? Like the blueberries can be too mushy. The strawberries can be too sour. The raspberries, I mean, you're always gonna get mushy from raspberries, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't think I would do it past this now. Like, who came up with this stuff? Like, who came up with this, honestly? I'm good off of it. I feel like I just wasted mad fruit. But this is bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. And it's cold. Alright. So I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but do y'all want to see me eat my salad? I don't know. And we could just chit chat. I'm not finishing this. I don't know who I thought I was. Is this a mukbang? Are you guys watching me? Let me see what this fish hitting for. This probably does not look exciting at all. Some bomb juicy. Some juicy ass confit. So what do people talk about in mukbangs? I'm pretending like I don't fully watch mukbangs. I do. The flavors of the fish is good, but because it is frozen fish and I baked it and everything, it's too chewy. It's too chewy for my liking. All this is cucumber, lettuce, and fish. I don't know what to talk about. Let me see. I'm supposed to be hanging out with my friends later. I have not hung out in mad long. Do you guys feel like this whole pandemic have made you antisocial or more social? Whereas, you know, we've been stuck inside for mad long. I keep looking at myself. Let me look at y'all. Is it steak or fish? Damn it. Anyways, we've been stuck inside for so long that you crave that people to people, that person to person interaction, or have you gotten so comfortable in just being by yourself and being home? Not by yourself literally, but like, you know, with immediate family, a couple friends here and there, because summertime is coming in full force, y'all. Summertime is coming in full force. And when things first started opening up, I felt like I was getting a little anxious, like, oh damn, now I have to go outside. I got so comfortable with just being to myself, having my own little schedule, my own routine. And now that outside is opening back up, I low-key feel forced. I low-key feel forced to go, to like have to go outside and mingle. But once I'm outside, I'm chilling. And also when it's nice outside, I do not like being indoors at all. I feel like every time summer comes around, praying for the summertime. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna ask for topics on my Instagram, because this right here clearly not working out. Clearly. So yeah, so my question, are you guys more social or antisocial now? Well, now that the world is opening up. One more thing. I know some people are gonna find it hella weird that I'm literally just like eating a salad bowl and talking to you guys in the camera. But I've watched so many mukbangs at this point that it is so true. People, like, it's like you sitting and eating with family. Like, that's literally what it feels like. So the only reason why I don't mind doing these is because I know how I feel on the other end watching mukbangs and stuff. And I never used to even like understand mukbangs at all. And now every time I eat, if I'm not doing something, obviously, I'll just put on a quick little video, you know, of like some of my favorite channels on YouTube. And it's like we're eating together. And I literally just watch mukbangs. But I must clarify, I do enjoy the mukbangs where people are having conversations and stuff. You know, I'm not really into the ASMR type. I don't need to hear you eating necessarily. But yeah, that's just my preference. So I honestly think I'm gonna end this video. Should I do a thumbnail? I'm about to leave this clip in. To be honest, I didn't know what to expect with this. I had no idea, but now I know. All right, so since when does frozen fish have bone? Is it just me? That's probably an ignorant ass question. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and smash that like button if you truly did enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is just a challenge that I always wanted to do, so yeah, I did it. And thank you guys for literally sitting here with me and eating. So yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and also comment below any other challenges you guys would like to see me do, and don't forget to comment your answer on the conversation we had. Did this pandemic make you more social or anti-social? All right, peace.